Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to EVS class. Children, let us remember all the points what we learned in previous class. Okay? Let us remember the points. The area around our house is called a neighborhood. Okay? Houses close to each other make a neighborhood. Again, I'm saying houses close to each other make a neighborhood. A neighbor is a person who lives nearby you. A neighbor is a person who lives nearby you. People living in a neighborhood need some services like school, hospital, market, etc. Okay? That after that we learn about post office. We post letters in the letter box. The postman collects the letters from the letter box and takes them to the post office. At the post office, letters are sorted out and sent to different places and sent to different places. At the post office provides many other services also. We can buy stamps, postcards, inland letters, etc. from the post office. Post office offers many money saving schemes also. Post office offers many money saving schemes also. These are all the points we learned in previous video. Children, now we learn about school. Now we learn about school. This is our school, DAV Public School, Vishakhapatnam. This is our school only, na? Yes, children. Today we learn about school. School is a place where we learn different things. We learn so many things in the school only, children. Will get education and become smart. Okay? School is a place where we learn different things, get education and become smart also. We go to school to learn many things. Why we are going to school, children? We are going to school to learn many new things. School is the place where we learn, read, write and other good things. We learn so many good things in the school, children. There only we learn how to write, how to read, what are the good manners, good habits, everything we learn in the school only. Teacher teaches us to how to read, how to write, how to play games, and we also learn good habits, good manners in the school. All these things we learn in the school. Okay, children, do you know who is the head of our school? Who is the head of the school? The principal is the head of the school. Who is the head of the school? The principal is the head of the school. Children, who is our principal? Who is anyone knows his name? Sri Uma Maheswar Rao sir is our principal. Okay, children. Again, I'm saying school is the place where our education starts. School is the place where our education starts. School is called Temple of Knowledge. School is also called Temple of Knowledge. Children, school is considered as one of the center for knowledge. School is also considered as one of the center for knowledge. It is because students learn most of the things in the school. Because students learn most of the things in the school. The school is one of the first place to learn how to behave in society. In school only you can learn how to behave in society. Teachers will teach you what is good path, what is wrong path. So you can learn in school, so, okay, how to behave in society also. However, the school play an essential role in every child's life. In every child's life, school is playing a very important role, children. Okay, the school teacher guide students. Teachers guide students to understand the difference between the right path and wrong path. I already said we are teaching you what is right, what is wrong, how to write, how to read, what are good manners, what is good manners, what is bad manners. Everything we are teaching. Yes or no? Schools are the first place to build confidence. So we are building confidence in you. Okay, confidence levels and improve the capability in students. Okay, so we are trying to improve your capabilities also in school. Okay, children, schools mainly focus on producing manners. Schools are mainly focus. We are mainly focused on producing manners. We'll teach all the time how to behave, what is wrong, what is right. Okay, this is not good, this is not correct. We are teaching you everything in the school. So schools mainly focus on producing manners, well disciplined and productive citizens of the country. Schools mainly focus on producing manners, well disciplined and productive citizens of the country. Okay, children, school is the best place where students can acquire education. School is the best place where students can acquire education. Okay, children? Children, there is one or more than one school in most of the locations. We can observe one or more than schools in that location. Children of these localities go to study there. Who are near there in that schools, okay, their houses, they want to study in that schools because no need to travel by bus, no transport problem, they can walk by themselves, they no need to depend upon parents, okay, no need to depend upon transport. If the school is near to their house, they can go by themselves, okay, they can go easily, no transport problem. So every neighborhood must and should have schools in their localities. Okay, children? Children, now we learn about bank. This is bank. This is ATM. See? This is bank. Okay? In bank, we can keep our money safe, children. We can keep our money safe in the bank and take out when we need. If you want to take it back, we can take. Bank is a safe place to keep our money. It is the safest place to keep our money. We can take out our money from the bank whenever we need. If we keep our money in bank, if you want to take it back, whenever we can take that money. We keep our money and jewelry safe in a bank. We can't keep money and jewelry at home. This is not safe. So we should keep our money and jewelry in bank only. Okay, bank is the safest place, children. Bank is an institution where money is transacted. Bank is an institution, children, where can money is transacted. We deposit money in the bank. If you want to keep our money in the bank, we have to deposit that money in the bank, and when needed it can be withdrawn. If you want to take that money back, we have to withdraw that money. Children, government banks also there, private banks also there. Okay, if you want to do money transactions, we have to open one account in that bank. Okay, there should be an account in the bank to make money transactions. Okay, we have to go to one bank, we have to open one account. After that, they'll give one account number. Okay, with the help of the account number, we can do money transactions. If you want to deposit, we can deposit. If you want to withdraw, we can withdraw that money also. Okay, children, in that bank they'll give one ATM card also. Okay, they'll give ATM card also, they will give. So through this card, we can withdraw money from that ATM machine at any time. If we want to take that money back, so we can use that ATM card and we can take that money at any time. Okay, children, this is about bank. Children, again I'm saying people keep their money in the bank. That is safest place. I said already, people keep their money in the bank. Money also, jewelry also, we can keep in the bank. They take out the money when they need it. We can withdraw that money when we need. We can deposit that money and we can withdraw that money also. Okay, these days ATM is the fastest method to withdraw money. If you want to take that money, you won't need to go to the bank. They'll give one ATM card. So we'll take that ATM card to the ATM machine. Okay, we can withdraw the money. ATM abbreviation automatic teller machine. ATM abbreviation automatic teller machine. Okay, people also keep their precious things in bank lockers. We can keep our jewelry, I said already, precious things in bank lockers. They'll give one locker, so we can keep all our things in that locker. If you want to keep money, we have to deposit that money. First, if you want to deposit that money, we have to open one account in that bank, that they will give the one account number. Through that account number, so you can do money transactions. If you want to send money to anyone also, you can send through the banks. If you want to withdraw money through the ATM, you can withdraw money immediately. So bank is very useful for us. We can keep our things and money safely in the bank. Okay, children? Children, now I'll give you one activity. Now I'll give you one activity. Do it neatly, children, please. So what you have to draw, children? Draw and book and pencil picture. It's very easy now. You should draw book and pencil pictures and color that pictures neatly and send to my WhatsApp number. Okay, children? Thank you, children.